Good day po, teachers and other government employees. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest step news and updates and free learning resources. So, i-share ko lang po to teachers and other government employees yung bago pong post ng GSIS para po sa mga nadagdag na lugar na pwede na po makapag-avail ng emergency loan. So, check po natin yung mga list. So, dito po sa kanilang Facebook page, nakalagay po yung availment dates at yung areas covered. So, yung availment dates po, ito po yung date kung saan pwede po tayo makapag-file ng ating emergency loan. So, take note po dahil pag lumagpas na po yan, ibig sabihin tapos na po. So, for July 26 to October 25, ang areas na covered po ay Caloocan City. For July 26 to October 24 naman po ay para po sa province of Rizal. July 26 to August 25, cities of mga Tarem and mga Dan and Pangasinan. So, take note po, no? Mas maaga po to. July 25 to October 24, cities of Malabon, Marikina, Las Piñas, Navotas, and Valenzuela. And other areas po, July 25 to August 24 po ang availment dates. Municipalities of Agoncillo in Batangas, Balagtas in Bulacan, Malasiki in Pangasinan, Roas in Palawan, Province of Bataan and Pampanga, and the City of Dagupan, Pangasinan. And for July 24 naman po to October 23, Province of Cavite City, Province of Cavite, City of Manila, and Quezon City. For July 24 po to August 23, so again, no, take note nyo po yung availment dates, Kalumpit, Bulacan, and Umingan, Pangasinan. For July 17 to August 15, Province of Siquijor. June 27 to July 26 naman po is Province of Maguindanao del Sur, and Municipality of Bansalan, Davao del Sur. So, pwede po tayo makapag-avail ng 20,000 pesos. Ito po yung mga qualification. And also, pwede rin pong 40,000 pesos. So, ito po, areas without existing emergency loan. Ito naman po ay with existing emergency loan. So, marami po nagtatanong kung kasama po yung kanilang lugar. So, para po tayo updated, don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification bell para pag meron pong bagong updates ay kayo po ay ma-alert. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.